So we have an electric bike here. It's a specialized 1x12, and for some reason it's not shifting properly. The customer said that there was an issue shifting. There was a noticeable issue in the 3 highest gears or 3 smallest cogs. The chain was jumping off the smallest cog, so I disconnected the cable from the rear derailleur. I found that the high limit screw was set too far out, causing the chain to fall off. I set it properly, then reconnected the shifting cable and adjusted the tension so the derailleur can shift properly. Check out Bosque Mobile Bicycle Repair, located in Albuquerque, New Mexico.